Hello friends, in this video I want to teach you step by step how to open an account with Ultima Markets broker through the TradingFinder website. We open the page related to Forex brokers, and after selecting Ultima Markets we click on the Go to Website option and enter the account opening page for this broker. In the first field, select your country of residence. In the next section, enter an email address that you haven't previously used to open an account with this broker. Please note that you need to receive an email verification code from the broker and enter it in this section. And in the next section, set your account password, which must include numbers, symbols, uppercase and lowercase letters. Select your account type, and in this section, declare that you are not a U.S. citizen. By accepting all the terms and conditions related to Ultima Markets broker, click on the Create Account option. After completing the form, click on the Request Code option, then open the inbox of the email address you registered with. As you can see, we have received the email from the broker. Copy the code from this section, paste it here, and then click on the Create Account option. Our initial account opening with Ultima Markets broker has been successfully completed, and at this stage you will be guided through the initial identity verification process. We are currently in the Ultima Markets broker dashboard, and in upcoming videos we will go through the processes of identity verification, deposit, and withdrawal in this broker together. Wishing you success and profitable trades.